Okay guys, so I'm here with no makeup on, my hair done, because I wanted to film my my own reaction to opening up my very own package of a designer handbag and wallet. I've never owned anything designer before, so Kate Spade had a really nice sale, and I've always wanted a Kate Spade handbag. Like, I just think they're so nice and luxurious looking, but affordable at the same time. So I had to take advantage of the sale, and ta-da! She is here and ready to be revealed. I'm so excited. So I already used a box cutter to open her up, the box. And now it is time for the big reveal. Okay, so I ordered a handbag and a wallet to go. You just can't have a handbag without a wallet, right? So here she is in all her glory. Everything's nice and packaged. Oh my gosh, I feel like a kid opening up the very first Christmas present on Christmas Day. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited! You guys have no idea how long I've always wanted a handbag or anything by Kate Spade in general. Oh my god. Okay, so this is the wallet I ordered. Oh my god. I don't know why, but I want to cry. I mean, I should... Oh my gosh. So with this handbag, I was debating between getting a black handbag because it goes with everything I wore, or go with the pink because I've been seeing it everywhere, and then pink is my favorite color. So it was torn between pink or black, pink or black, pink or black. And so finally I decided to flip a coin because I was dead set on getting a black handbag. And then, you know, whenever you flip a coin and then throughout before it lands on you, you already have like the answer in your head. So finally I decided to go with the pink. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I really want to cry because I never thought I could ever own a Kate Spade handbag. Oh my gosh, she's beautiful. God. Oh my, when I say I really want to cry, I really want to cry, you guys. Like, I'm not even kidding. I know it sounds like, why are you crying over a handbag? But you guys have to understand, I've never owned anything designer before or anything like really luxurious. Oh my god, this handbag is everything and more. I'm honestly gonna say that. My gosh, you guys. And of course, I'll leave in the description box what I did get, like the bag name and the wallet name, of course. And then later on, I'm going to do a thorough review. But I just wanted to film a first impression, first reaction video. I just want to cry. It's so beautiful. Okay, I'm done. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell in the intro of my video, today's video is all about reviewing my brand new Kate Spade handbag and matching wallet, of course. I'm super excited. The reason why I filmed the reaction video is to show you guys like how happy I really was, because I've never owned anything designer before. And Kate Spade was something that I really wanted to own a handbag from her. And she did have a really great sale and I couldn't pass it up, so let's go ahead and get to revealing. Alright you guys, here she is in all her beautiful, pristine, beautiful glory. Oh my gosh, I actually haven't taken her out just yet just because I'm so worried of ruining her. So this is called the, what is she called? The Louise Medium Dome Satchel. I'm not going to tell you the price because my man's going to get so mad. what he realizes how much the actual price, like the full pricing of the bag actually is. Remember guys, I did buy her on a really good sale on Kate Spade's official website. So on the website, it was a 30 to 50% off depending on how much you did spend, but only on full price items. So of course you can't have a beautiful handbag without a matching wallet. Okay, and the wallet is actually a wristlet. The style is called Spencer Continental Wristlet, and both of these colors are called Tutu Pink. They do come in multiple different shades, so if you're not into the bright pink colors, don't worry, there's plenty of other colors and both styles. But I'm super excited because I'm just such a huge girly girl that I had to get her in pink. It was just such a hard decision because it was between being responsible and getting the purse and a wallet to go with everything, or getting pink. Clearly you know which one I picked. The handbag, or the purse, sorry, I keep saying handbag, does come with a little adjustable strap so you can wear it short, then you can also wear it long as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and hook this baby up because this is the type of style I prefer it long ways. It's just a little bit more comfortable, but I really love that you can change the style. There she is. Okay, so that was a little slip up. That's okay, accidents do happen. But here she is again in her beautiful, pristine glory with the wallet. Y'all, I feel so fancy, so bougie. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you the inside part of the bag. Okay, you guys, so I already have her open just to show you guys how big the purse is and what can actually fit in here. So the bag does have multiple compartments, which is great. And so here's the wallet, and then I'm going to put it in here. And as you can see, you still have plenty of space. And then we have like the front zipper over here. We have another compartment over here. And of course, we also have the two in here as well. Okay, I also wanted to do a close-up look of the Spencer Continental Wristlet is what it's called. And again, it comes in multiple different shades. So I wanted a wristlet because whenever I do tend to go out with friends, I don't want to carry the whole purse. I actually want to carry just my wallet with me. And it's great that it can attach to my wrist. So here's the inside compartment. As you can see, very luxurious, very nice, easy to organize all your cards. There is more additional compartments for your bills. And then we got another zipper compartment right over here. Alright you guys, I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are planning to purchase a really nice handbag, invest in one, I highly recommend Kate Spade. For both of these products, I'm not going to tell you because my boyfriend is the one helping me film this video. And I can already see red in his face. Okay, I'll stop. Basically guys, the total for both of these items are honestly the payment of a bill. That's all I'm going to say. But of course, during the sale, I bought it for half the price for both of these. So I will list the product names, the colors, the styles, and of course the prices. But again, definitely recommend checking out Kate Spade during her sales. I bought these both for 50% off altogether for the price of one, which is an amazing deal. All right, y'all. Till next time. Bye. Mwah.